Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to do chapter number 4, Practical Geometry, exercise 4.1, question number 1, third part. In this question, we are to construct a parallelogram more in which OR is equal to 6 centimeter, RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and EO is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now children, we have discussed that when we want to construct any quadrilateral, we need 5 parameters, and we know that in a parallelogram the opposite sides are equal. So from here I will just draw the rough diagram. We know that parallelogram is like this. So here I will write the names of the vertices. This is more, M-O-R-E, more. Here OR is 6 centimeter, RE is 4.5 centimeter, and EO, I will join this EO. This is the diagonal given to us, 7.5 centimeter. So from this we can say that MO is also 4.5 centimeter and ME is 6 centimeter. So I will write here ME is equal to OR is equal to 6 centimeter. Similarly, MO is equal to ER or RE, both are same, 4.5 centimeter. This thing we have done by opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. This is the condition. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now we will do the construction accordingly. Firstly, we will draw the diagonal. The diagonal is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So let us start the construction. Firstly, I will draw the diagonal. This is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Name it. This is EO. EO is 7.5 centimeter. Now we can take the upper triangle as MEO or EOR. This is our choice. So let us mark the arcs. Now mark the arc from E equal to 6 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter. From E I will mark the arc toward the upside, and from O I have to also mark the arc of 6 centimeter, but it will be toward the lower side because this is OR is 6 centimeter. So as I have taken the R point toward the lower triangle and M point toward the upper triangle, so from E I have marked the arc of 6 centimeter, and from O I have marked the arc of 6 centimeter. Now let us mark the arcs of 4.5 centimeter. Now also write down the steps of construction side by side. Firstly, steps of construction. Firstly, we have drawn the line segment. Draw a line segment. EO is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Second part, from E mark an arc of 6 centimeter. Now after that we will mark the arc from O equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now open your compass equal to 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5. From O mark the arc 4.5 centimeter and take this point as M. So write the step of construction as well. From O mark an arc (4.5 centimeter) intersecting the previous arc at M. Now next is to join M to E and O. This is join M to E as well as M to O. Now write down, this is 6 centimeter and this is 4.5 centimeter. Also write down the step of construction. Fourth step of construction is join M to E and O. Now next is to mark the arcs for the lower triangle. From O we have already marked the arc. Now I will open the compass equal to 4.5 centimeter and I will mark the arc from E intersecting the previous arc. Now these are not intersecting, so I will again open the compass equal to 6 centimeter and extend this arc so that these two arcs intersect each other. This is 6 centimeter, so open your compass. Now they are intersecting at R. So this point is R. Write down the steps of construction. Fifth step of construction is from E mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Sixth step is from O mark an arc of 6 centimeter intersecting the previous arc at R. Now join R to E and O. This is to join R to E and O. This is 4.5 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Seventh step of construction is join R to E and O. So more is the required parallelogram. Next one is to construct a rhombus base in which one side, that is BE, is 4.5 centimeter, and ET is the diagonal. This is equal to 6 centimeter. And we know that all the sides of the rhombus are equal. So here I will draw the rough diagram for this. This is the diagonal ET, 6 centimeter, and these are the sides to be constructed like this, as it is best. So BEST, all these sides are 4.5 centimeter. So from this we can write that BE is equal to ES is equal to ST is equal to BT is equal to 4.5 centimeter. The reason behind, all sides of rhombus are equal. So this is again the same kind of the question in which one diagonal and four sides are equal. So let us start with the construction. Firstly, we will draw the line segment ET, that is the diagonal. So draw here the line segment ET, which is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is ET, 6 centimeter. Now as we know that all the sides are equal to 4.5 centimeter, so we have to mark the arcs from E and T to the above and below of same length. So let us open the compass equal to 4.5 centimeter. Firstly, I will write down the steps of construction. Steps of construction. First step is to draw a line segment ET is equal to 6 centimeter. Now from E mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Basically we have to draw all the arcs equal to 4.5 centimeter. From E we have marked the arc of 4.5 centimeter. Then from T mark the arc of 4.5 centimeter, and this point will be B. Now write down the step of construction. From E mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Similarly from T mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter intersecting previous arc at B. Now join B to E and T. So join B to E and T, you will get the upper triangle. So here write down the step of construction as well. Fourth step is join B to E and T. Now next step is to again mark the arcs of 4.5 centimeter for the lower triangle. So as already we have opened our compass equal to 4.5 centimeter. So here I will mark the arcs from both the vertices, that is E and T. They are intersecting at S. Now again write down the steps of construction. Fifth step of construction, these are just repeating steps. From E, mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter. And then sixth step of construction is from T, mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter intersecting the previous arc at S. Now join S to E and T. Join S to E and T. Both are 4.5 centimeter. So next step of construction is join S to E and T, and eighth step of construction is best is the required rhombus. In this way we can construct the given quadrilaterals. Students, this is all about question number 1, third and fourth part of exercise 4.1. Thank you.